Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sugi. I'm going to be applying more Banana Boat Sports sunscreen. This is my fourth application of the day, and it is not even lunchtime. So this is how you go. This is how you do it. I'm going to show you. You want to use about 2 teaspoons for the face and neck. So here we go. Now, if you happen to feel you have too much for your first layer, feel free. Ooh, I just went up my nose. Feel free. Spread it around. Spread it around your face, back of neck. If you must reapply, you must reapply. All right. I am here today in Miami showing you how to fade sun damage. I want to show you how to clear dark spots and really get a nice even skin tone. All right. I'll try my best not to make too many funny faces. Ah! Now, this goes around the eyes, but it does not go in the eyes. So excuse me if I cry a little in this video, because I am blind in the left eye. I'm going a little fast, but I should slow my pace so I don't go blind in my right eye as well. Let me know, you guys. Do you have any favorite sunscreens you'd like to share with everybody? Because I am a fanatic and I really go the extra mile to make sure I keep my hyperpigmentation around my eyes for dark eyes away, dark lips, elbows. I do not want dark elbows or hyperpigmentation on the knees either. So I go so far to make sure that the sunscreen application is very a lengthy part of my everyday skincare routine. So if you're a man and you really want some skincare grooming tips for men that I would recommend would be sunscreen. Use your sunscreen. This is sunscreen for the face. I will show you how to use sunscreen for your face, for your body. Sunscreens for men. I'll show you sunscreen for women. There's specific sunscreens you can use literally for acne. There's sunscreens because of the ingredients, as they will all protect your skin from the sun, the ingredients will lean more towards or be more friendly towards, as you can imagine, specific skin tones. So I'm your guy here. I will show you this SPF sports sunscreen. It's not the worst on the eyes. If you're new to sunscreens, sunscreens will burn your eyes, especially the chemical sunscreens. They will burn. Yes, I'm telling you, expect it. But you'll love and find your gems that don't burn you. So I cannot tell you that the Banana Boat Sports sunscreen, this is not a sponsor, by the way. I'm crying. This will burn your eyes. I will tell you. It will not burn as bad as for me. Most sunscreens that are chemical burn terribly. This doesn't burn nearly as bad, okay? So keep in mind this is something I'm pushing because this is friendly to my eyes, friendlier to my eyes. As it faces hyperpigmentation, I will put up with a lot of bunk, okay? Because it's giving me the results. Now, I can't see, but who needs to see when you're beautiful, right? Or I should say handsome. Beautiful for the ladies, handsome for the young men. Let me know. Do you guys like the white cast on your sunscreen? As you can see, I don't want to be the dark skinned guy with the major white cast. But at the end of the day, the things you do for love, right? Things you do to look beautiful. I don't mind so much. I'm not often in the sun, you know, like this. So I don't, when I'm out and directly in the sun walking like I am right now, I don't mind looking like this. Typically, I don't have to put this much on because I don't have this much sun interaction, right? So because this is the day I do, you kind of just have to deal with a nice little white cast. Fourth, did I say fourth? Fourth application, sent 8 this morning. And you know what? I feel really boss about it because at the end of the day, this is healthcare. It's really important that you wear sunscreen because it will fade the hyperpigmentation and prevent wrinkles. It will prevent fine lines. It will hydrate. This is lotion with SPF 50. SPF 30 is terrific as well, but just make sure you reapply. If you want a nice morning routine, easy skincare steps, reapply your sunscreen. Tick, tick, tisk. Because we all have a lot of work to do when it comes to reapplying sunscreen. But, I'll be here to remind you. I have some more skincare videos coming, you guys. You've watched my acne fade throughout the weeks, and I've been really excited. You guys have actually recommended me some things. And I've been using adapalene, but I've known about adapalene. I've used that for years. So skin, is it what? Skin tenacity? Is it skin memory is terrific because my skin just got right with the adapalene as well. And because I'm wearing the sunscreen, I get the results. If you're not wearing the sunscreen, like good lighting's here. If you're not wearing the sunscreen, the results are never gonna come, okay? So I'm here at a park, and you can hear the planes and people walking and running around. So I'm just looking around. The results are never gonna come if you are not applying the sunscreen. If you have skincare goals, if you have a skincare routine and sunscreen is not a part of it, period. Period. Debate me. All right. Leave it in the comments. Let me know what I am doing wrong in my routine, what you would change, as this is my third, fourth, fifth, seventh, 50th, you know, application. And I will have 9,000 more throughout the day. I try my best to apply sunscreen every hour. You need to do it every 2 hours, but I try to do it every hour. I don't freak out if it has been 2 hours, but I have a goal to do it every hour. I'm trying to see so badly out of my eye. I may have to hop in my car and get a little bit of air conditioning. My name's Sugi. It's my pleasure to make skincare videos for you guys. You guys are so gracious in the comments and with the likes. Please leave a like for this video if you've liked everything I've told you. I will be here for weekly, daily skincare routines, and I'm not going anywhere. I really have been enjoying making content for you guys. You guys have a terrific conversation with me, and it's been nice to see the community we've built together. So thank you for your skincare recommendations. Thanks for watching and follow along for more skincare tips. Peace.